Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will start studying sequences, especially for year 7 and year 8. So these are the aspects we will cover. Mostly the last two concepts, which are finding the nth term, it starts from year 8. But any year 7 student, if he wants to try, it would be good for him because we should always challenge our thinking, mathematical thinking. Right? So up till here, it is strictly 7 and this can be asked from year 8 students. Okay, so let's start with the first video in which we will cover the first 3 points. So first of all, we need to understand what is the meaning of sequence. So I'm giving you 30 seconds, go through them and tell me, do you identify something? What is happening in each one? I've given you 4 types. So let's start with the first one. What is happening here? What do you notice? You can write down in your notebook. Okay, I'm asking now. So what is happening here? Yes, absolutely right. We are adding 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 5. Sorry, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So if I ask you what is the next term? 10 plus 2, 12. And 12 plus 2, 14. Absolutely right. So when sequence is are the numbers which follow particular rule. This is what I would say. So in the first one, the rule is you are adding 2 in the previous term. Now what is happening in number 2? Can you identify what is happening here? Okay, so some of you got it. This is brilliant. So we are squaring here. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. So what are the 2 numbers? Tell me quickly. If you are good in tables, you will be able to calculate it very quickly. Yes, you are right. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. Now what is happening in the third one? Any idea? By the way, this series is called square numbers. Okay, you should know the name. If somebody asks you what are the square numbers, you should say like this: 1, 4, 9, 16. So what is happening here? Very good. I can see some of you have gotten the right answer, and that is 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. 3 cube means what? 3 into 3 into 3, right? So this is the meaning of it. So what is 4 cube and 5 cube? I understand you know the rule now, but do you know the table very well? 4 cube is, yes, absolutely right, 64. And 5 cube is 125. And what are these called? These are called cube numbers. So if somebody say write down the series of sequence of cube numbers, so you should know what we are talking about. What about the fourth case, the last one? What is happening here? This I think few of you would know. I think so. Can you see the rule? Absolutely right. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. Very good. 10 plus 5, 15. Excellent. So next number will be what? 15 plus 6. Absolutely. Which is 21. And then plus 7. Absolutely right. So you got here. So this is how we find out sequence. We try to understand the pattern, that what is happening, and then accordingly we fill up the next terms. These are all called terms, right? For example, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, like this. Now here I want to basically help you to visualize square and cube triangular terms. By the way, this last one is called triangular numbers. Triangular numbers, right? Let me tell you what do I mean by triangular numbers. See here in this one. See, first number was 1, then 3, then 6, then 10, and so on. So this is triangular number. and here square numbers. So this is the meaning of it. Okay, so now let's see. You will tell me here the next two numbers now, because you understand the rule now. What is happening here? Absolutely right. You are adding 2 every time, right? Every time 2. No, 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 no. So what is the next term? So you understood every time you are increasing by one more number. So it will be plus 6 and plus 7. Absolutely right. So if somebody asks you what is the rule, we increase 1 always in the previous number when we are adding up. Okay. Now what is happening in this one? This is little tricky. Those who have notebook, take it out and write down, only then you will understand. Okay, suppose I'm writing it for you, but you will answer. Okay, I will not answer you. So first term in the sequence is 3. The next term we get by adding 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Then again add 5, 13. Then again add 5, 18. Again add 5, 23. Again add 5. So now looking at this closely, do you think 96 will fall in this sequence? 97. Absolutely right. You will not get 97 because in every tens, you see 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, we are getting numbers ending at 3 and 8. So it will be in 90s to 100, when we will write numbers between 90 to 100, what it will be? Yes, 93 and 98, not 97. So this is how you will give your reason. Okay, in every tens, we are getting numbers ending at 3 and 8. So 97 we will not get. Now last question of this video. Now this is also very famous sequence, Fibonacci sequence. Now what is Fibonacci sequence? I'm giving you 5 seconds to see and try to identify the rule. Then you will be able to write the next two terms. Okay, absolutely right. So you always add with the previous term. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now what will happen next term? 8 plus 5. Very good. So it will be 13. And then 13 plus 8? 21. So you will get your next number. Very good. So with this I will end the video. And in the next video we will study generate sequence from the given nth term. Please press like and subscribe button and encourage me. Thank you very much.